Welcome children to the presentation of Standard 10 Subject History Chapter 5 Mass Media.
Here is a topic: critical understanding of the information received through mass media. What do you mean by critical understanding, children? Information received through mass media needs to be critically reviewed and exactly scanned, as it may not be truth. Children, you must have seen in the newspaper, in the movies or the TV serials, they show the fake news channels. News people go and they try to create the fake news. So this can happen with us. So we need to critically examine what the news you are getting. It can be a fake news, it can be a forge, it can be a fraud thing. So we need to scan it, we need to verify it properly. That is called as critically reviewed. The famous events of authentication of print in Germany, Stern, a weekly magazine, purchased a number of handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. It was sold to the publication company. The diary's authenticity was verified and the news appeared in the print. Later, those diaries proved to be forged. It became apparent example that we need vary about the information published in media. So it has happened in the past, children. A German company, publication company, which published a weekly magazine called as Stern. Stern was the name which is given. You can see in the image also. It was a very famous magazine, and actually go to see the authentication of that magazine. They didn't go to check the things, the critical checking of the things, what they got. They just got a thing which was called as a diary, handwritten diary of Adolf Hitler, and he was quite famous personality that time. So they thought of printing it and publishing it, and they did it. After the diaries were been published, then they came to know what diary they got in their hand in the name of the Adolf Hitler's handwritten diary was a forge, was a fake, was a something very wrong which was been given, and they didn't examine it, they didn't try to see the authentication of it, and like that it has become an apparent example which every publisher need to follow, that what they get in the form of the history or in the form of very confidential thing, which before publishing to the people they need to verify it. In fact, our history textbooks also, children, what information we get in a history textbook or in history channels, they try to show, they check it thrice, 4 times, 5 times, so that it should be the correct information to be published through the whatever medium it may be to the people. Next one is mass media and professional opportunities. Profession of historian in newspaper. He needs to provide fresh news to the readers, unfold background of an event in the news. While reporting news in detail, reporters need to compare it with the parallel events which has happened in the past. Newspapers print about historical information under the heading 50 years ago, 100 years ago. These columns are based on the historical documents or written history. These columns provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events of the historical significance. See, children, we can always go for the job of the historian in the newspaper. I don't know how many of you are aware, every newspaper in a week once they have one column inside, not on the headline, where they give this column related to the past events. Today's date in the history is very, very important. So whatever the dates it might have come. So every newspaper go for this. So as a historian, you should be able to show the present event, and you can show it whatever the same event have happened in the past. Like for example, you can see the image which is showing at the present of the coronavirus, nurses and the doctors, how they are being tired of doing their work. Like this, one more pandemic had happened in the past, that was plague, children. How many of you are aware of it? I don't know which was being spread because of the rats and the mice. So it has killed many people at that time. Many people were being dead because as rats and mice were commonly found in every house that time, and it carries the germs of that. So this event can be compared to the past event and shown in the newspapers as 100 years ago or 50 years ago, same thing has happened related to the historic or economic or social, political, any sector you take. But in that you can show this particular column as 50 years and 100 years ago. Continuing with the same topic, we are going to see. Here is the history related more professional opportunities like columns, editorials, article writing, one on this day in history, reviews, news. All this are related to the journalism, related to the mass media, related to the television, where you can work for writing the columns, for doing the editing part as an editor, for writing the articles or verifying or checking it, or you can put down as a one column in the newspaper or any news historic channel where you can put this title on this day in history, or you can give the reviews. What was happened in today's date has happened in past, and this is a review and the conclusion, like past history has helped us today to solve this problem. And news too we know every day, like what we watch on the channels, TV channels, children. So like this, different part of the professional opportunities have been given here. Continuing with mass media and professional opportunities, children, newspaper occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition. I don't know how many of you understand the meaning of the supplement. Like when you get a main newspaper, with that one extra newspaper every Sundays, it comes, which is called a supplement newspaper. On that you will find articles related to the health issues, present issues, big celebrity interviews come on that. So that is called a supplement. So the newspapers occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition. For example, World War first commenced in 1914. Year 2014 was the 100th year of this event. So for this, a special edition can be published called as supplement. To publish this news in the newspaper, one needs to commemorate the occasion. In 2017, 75 years was completed after the announcement of Quit India movement. So another supplement can be added to that, and detailed history can be put in under the title in 2017. What 75 years back, what has happened? Quit India movement, children. On this occasion, newspaper highlights editorials column like what happened in the history on that day, reviews, etc. The knowledge is essential for writing of such type. Commemorate means recall and show the respect, and commence means to begin something. So we can put under this titles what has happened in the history on that day in the past. Everything can be put very nicely, but one needs to have a detailed knowledge. If detailed knowledge is not there, or the expert is not there, and you have not verified the thing, you cannot publish it, because wrong thing, any single wrong thing will come on any part of the media that will affect to the whole nation, children. Continuing with the mass media and professional opportunity, history is essential in planning the radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings, speeches of Prime Minister of India on 15th August. Akashvani invites historians as expert for discussion on the various occasions such as anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders. Programs like On This Day of History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. So Akashvani play an important role. Why, children? You know, because since the day we got the independence, since that time our first Prime Minister on 15th August what the speech was been given. Since that day, in today's date, we are living in the 20th century. Till today's date, how many Independence Day we have celebrated, and as many Prime Ministers has delivered their speech, all recordings are there with Akashvani. So if sometime it's really needed or go back and check history what has happened on that particular day, we can always go. And you must have seen on the 15th August they telecast the Mahatma Gandhi speeches and Jawaharlal Nehru speeches. This is all possible because of Akashvani. They have the recordings of all these children. So Akashvani invites the historians and experts to discuss, and they try to play the same thing. what records they have and present day, so that they can make a comparison on that. Not only on the 15th August or the national festival days, but they do invite them on the birth and the death anniversaries of the national leaders also. Or they have the programs on their Akashwani, like on this day of history also. So all these records are there and will be kept ongoing with the Akashwani channels, children. Mass media and professional opportunities continuing here. Television also telecasts programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels helps in creating interest in history through historical shows and historical serials. The mythological serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj and Raja Shiv Chhatrapati attracted large audience. While producing this type of programs, maintaining accuracy with regard to the presentation of environment, outfit, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc. is essential. One needs to have a deep understanding of the history of the concerned period. Obviously, children, when we are telecasting this great programs like Ramayana, Mahabharata or Chhatrapati Shivaji, one needs to have a deep knowledge of the history. Another thing is the outfit, what they used to wear and the language they used to speak, the attire they used to wear, like dressing and all, the social circumstances that time, what was it, like weapons what they used to carry. We cannot show in Shiv Chhatrapati's serial say gun loaded or the rifle we cannot show, which will turn the total sentiments of the program. So when we are doing these things, when we are making such a great serials, one need to have a deep knowledge about language spoken at that time, food eaten at that time, social life at that time, dressing at that time, and many more things. One need to be expert in that, and all these things when come together and you have a brief history about that, then only you can go for the mythological serials, movies or many more things, children. So one need to have a deep knowledge. So many professional opportunities related to all this are available today in media. Mass media and professional opportunities, children, as we are dealing with the same topic here. Currently, channels like Discovery, National Geographic and History, etc. have opened a rich treasure for the global history for the audience. It has enabled people to view historical and geographical wonders at home. To make such programs entertaining, some parts of the serial are actually enacted by heroic men, women, sportsmen, army chiefs, etc. Besides this serials about ancient monuments, forts, histories of empires and history of culinary art are watched by large number of the people with great interest. Children, the meaning of culinary art is related to the cooking. So as we can see, the National Geographical and Historical channel has been started, and these channels not only show the history of India, what was India in the past and what is we are living as today, but it also shows the geographical, the boundaries, the climate at past and present, everything you can come to know. How India was rich in past, how much rich it was. Really that rich treasure of India, it has come to know the globally, because see, these channels have been telecast not only in India but outside India also. So our culture, our tradition, our geographical things, our historical things come to know to the internationally, on the international level, children, through these channels, because it has been telecast in outside country also. So people come to know what India is very, very rich in, and it is to show or make people attracted towards it. Many the hero heroines who are great actor and actresses, or the sports personality or the army chiefs are being asked to do the anchoring part of that, or act in it, or to give the information regarding whatever things they are giving. They have to speak out in that, so that more and more people get attracted towards it. Besides the serials we have the serials about the monuments also, like Indian forts, Indian monuments, history of empires. So many dynasties have ruled over India, and apart from that, history of culinary means India is very rich in cooking, in spices. It has been from the past, the style of cooking, which is India very, very famous worldwide. We have a variety of foods here, so it all becomes with a very interested for outside people as well as for the Indians, which has been telecast through these channels, children. In your textbook it is given, would you find this interesting? And we will definitely find it interesting as we come to know. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial was telecasted by Doordarshan, was a special program of the history of Indian television serial. It was based on Discovery of India, a book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was directed by Shyam Benegal. The serials throw light on the social, cultural and political history of respective period. See children, a book which was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a serial was made on that. The book name was Bharat Ek Khoj, the Discovery of India, which was translated in the Hindi serial Bharat Ek Khoj, and it was been directed by Shyam Benegal. He was the person who has directed this serial, and he has tried to show what Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has written in the Discovery of India. He has tried to show throw light on the social, cultural and political history of India. You would find this interesting. Roshan said the actor who played the role of the Pandit Nehru's role is also a narrator, introducing and explaining various parts of the story by dramatizing them, using folklore and informative speeches. It effectively portrayed many aspects of the Indian history like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, interpretation of Ramayana and Mahabharata, Mauryan period, Turk-Afghan invasion, Mughal period, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The serial was admired in all parts of India because of the comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its equally comprehensive visual representation. So as you can see, the Roshan set is just the imitation of Pandit Nehru. He looks like Pandit Nehru, and he was the one who was the narrator, and an anchor of this serial, and he tried to show various history like right from the Harappan civilization till Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj by dramatizing them in the short drama form. And he has used in the serial informative speeches also, which were being delivered at that time by those people to give the information. And this was all the idea of Pandit Nehru, which he is trying to show in the serial form through the ways of the television, children. So it has become possible for us to see the idea of Pandit Nehru, what he has written at that time, Discovery of India, through the part of the serial. And as many times we want to see, we can just repeat telecast those serial and we will be able to see that. Children, here it is, do you know? In the British India, the first English news bulletin was broadcast on 23rd July 1927 from Mumbai Radio Station of India Broadcasting Company, that is IBC. Later, the Kolkata radio station of IBC started a news bulletin in Bengali. So you can see the images of Mumbai as well as Kolkata, both broadcasting companies. Children, here is Do You Know, which is informative for you all. Bal Shastri Jambrekar is referred to as first editor by virtue of his being the editor of the first newspaper. His birth date, 6th January, is observed in Maharashtra as Patrakar Din, that is Journalist Day. So Bal Shastri Jambrekar's birthday is being celebrated as Patrakar Din, that is the Journalist Day in India.